her. She's very pretty. Hoy, bulabog ni mo mga isda. CDO River, guys. Yan. Daming naglagay ng mga pain dito, guys. Nakahilera yung mga pain nila. Tapos, yung mga huli nila, ano lang, maliit na tilapia. At saka yung batang makulit.
Say, pang-record eh.
Hoy!
Masira akong beauty ba?
You don't have beauty, you know.
Yes, I have.
Babe, show me your beauty.
And then,
Guys, look at her. She's very pretty. Hoy, bulabog ni mo mga isda, chokoy.
ang gagawin sila ba?
Oh my goodness. It's very hot here, guys.
What is very hot? You don't know how to speak English.
Oh, duh. CDO River, also known as the Killer River. Because every time there is a flood, guys, there is always a...
I saw a fish. And it's big. It's big.
Where's the fish? Yeah.
I don't know. Let's go home. My skin is burning. And I'm tired and it's so hot.
What?
Don't drink with me.
Show me your skin.
No? I don't want.
You are already dark and never mind. Yeah, just
What?
no. She's pretty, guys.
There's some
Ito mga kambing, guys. Ug atay nga kanding nanungay dito, guys.
I'm so
Yeah.
Let's go home. I'm preparing for my
Nana
Dance
lang mga
tomorrow.
pain. You will prepare what?
dance.
Dance.
I'm the leader. Yes, that's why I'm
Oh. Show your talent to everyone.
Ayaw ba?
Show your talent. Dance now.
Ayaw ba?
Dance. Pangin damit diri, guys. Kay kinahanglan may vitamin D. Yeah. City or river. Sa likod na rin sa aming bahay, guys.
Can we go home?
Wait a minute. Oh, mga pain nila, guys. Oh. Sana kay hulian nila. Makakuha na nag-carpa, guys. Nag-carpa, guys. Bye-bye.